I'm Dr. Shannon Ferguson, and this is Move It or Lose It, and today we'll be going over my neck stretching routine. So neck stretches is something that I recommend a lot because a lot of people have neck and upper back pain, but I do find that people are missing out on some of the muscles of the neck because they do go all the way around. So first, proper positioning is really important. If you're hunched over a little bit and try and do the stretches, you're not going to feel much. So it is important to have your shoulders back and down when you're doing these stretches. So my neck stretching routine is really simple. It's basically stopping at every 45 degrees and holding that stretch between 30 seconds and a minute. And it starts off with ear to shoulder. So bringing this ear toward this shoulder, and I get a nice big stretch across the lateral side of my neck. And then nose to armpit, and you want to play with the angle a little bit, and wherever you feel the best stretch, stick with that. And then chin to chest. So sinking the chin down toward the chest and lengthening out the back of the head, if that makes sense. And that brings in the suboccipitals just a little bit. And then the other side. The last stretch is the anterior part of the neck, which is actually quite hard to do because most people's bones max out before their muscles do. And it's an important one to get because it is one of the major headache muscles. So the way I do it is with a simple modification. So the stretch is ear to shoulder and look up. I don't really feel anything and most people don't, but my modification just lengthens out the muscles just a little bit so that when you go into the stretch, you feel something. So it's curling your fingers around your collarbone like this. Try not to push in toward your neck, but more down toward your collarbone, or use the weight of your fingers only. If your arm starts to go numb, then you're cutting off the blood supply and nerves to your arm. So you just want to back off just a little bit or change the direction of your weight so that you're into your collarbone instead of the neck. So curl your fingers around the collarbone and then go into the stretch. And now I feel a nice big stretch across the anterior part of my neck where before I didn't. Again, 30 seconds to a minute, more toward a minute if you have time, and make sure that you're going to the point of sort of a pleasant discomfort instead of pain. Thank you for watching my video on neck stretches. I hope that you learned something. If you liked this video, please subscribe for more videos on stretching and pain-free living.